Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a glueless kinky curly install. This is a 5x5 kinky curly, a very tight curl. Now in the box with this wig, we get a wig bag, a scarf, edge band, wig cap, edge brush, and AliPearl lashes. The wig fits nice. It's actually a little bit too big, so I did keep mine. It does not have adjustable straps. It has an elastic band. I kept mine in because I need a little more security. Instantly, I love the way this hair looks. I love the curls. Look at this, the definition on these curls. I had it crooked, yeah. So you can see, I think that is really, really nice. And we don't have to do a lot to the part. Pretty much we can take it out and go, but it is gonna take a little bit of work on defining the curls, which is the fun part. So let's go ahead and get started. I went in with this Ruby Kisses cream foundation in the part, and if I need to follow up with this mascara, this is just an old mascara, I would take a blending brush and I just wipe, and then I would add it to wherever I feel like I need to close up the part. But I'm not going to do that until I go in with my hot comb if I need it. I don't even know if I need a hot comb. We're just doing it as we go. Okay, I'm gonna start off with some water. The mic, oh my god. Hopefully I didn't just mess up the mic beyond repair. It says it's on, but we'll see. So I wet the hair with water, and then I'm gonna go in with this Ease leave-in conditioner, and what this is going to do is just help detangle the hair without getting it soaking wet. If you were to wash it in the sink first, obviously this step would not be needed, but then I have a big brush and I'm just going to detangle. Don't be like me. Don't be like me. Start at the ends, okay? You start at the ends. Do a little more water because it still feels a little dry. I'm gonna leave this dry and as much of my edges dry as I can. And this is the, what is it? Garnier Fructis Pure Moisture Hydrating Conditioner. I have like a quarter amount. So I'm gonna do a slice. Where's my clip? Dimming brush, down, down, down. You can kind of feel the conditioner start to like suds up. So I do 3 times on the top, 3 times on the bottom. And then I do one more down. And you see that? That's what I like to do. So many planes are going by today. Smooth enough. Now what I find that this does is that it keeps the frizz down. Keep in mind that this hair has not been detangled when you get it, so you are going to need to do it. Just like our real hair, you can't just start styling it without detangling it. And seeing hairs with a curl this tight is gonna happen. Oh gosh, I don't like when that happens. Because I don't like when wet hair touches my face. This is how the hair is looking once it's dry. I went in and cut a couple of the curls at the end, nothing major, just the straggles. And then for the top, I added some mousse in my hands to tame down the flyaways. Now, as you've seen in the beginning, there was not a lot to do to this hair after you define the curls. And I did just use conditioner, but you can use whatever you would like. You pretty much can just go. I will link this wig from AliPearl in the description. Make sure you guys check it out if you're looking for an easy, kinky, curly, glueless wig. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.